My name is Camilla Wright, and for my project I did a 3D organic character in Blender. I decided to create a model of a character in a book I'm writing. My character, Hearne, is the king of a country called Wolfspin with the magical ability to control small amounts of dark energy. The traditional royal outfit, which he wears, is a robe. He's wearing boots I designed, which have hidden on him his personal symbol, which is the rune Elt, which means justice or truth. He wears 4 rings. You can see them here. This one is used to control his abilities. This one can transform into a scepter, which also doubles as a weapon. This ring is used for energy storage, and this one is a wedding ring. For his eyes, they're in kind of unnatural amberish shade, but that is a common eye color in his country, Wolfspin. I wanted to bring one of my favorite characters to life, and so here he is.